How to reset or recover forgotten messenger password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can reset or recover your forgotten messenger password. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. Simply open up Messenger and here you head into the login page. What you want to do is tap on login to account, and what you want to do here is tap on find your account, and from the search bar you want to search in for your account. Now I'll just search in for my account here, whether it'll show up. Now here you can see it'll say me that you can use your Google account because my Google account is logged into my account. I'll just tap on try next way here, and you can see you'll get various options. You can get code if your Facebook is still logged in. You can get code on your Facebook notification if you are logged in on any other devices, or if you are logged in on this device as well, or you can get code or link via your email or your phone number. So once you select any of the options, simply tap on continue and you'll get the code, and enter the code here on Messenger and you will be able to log in and reset the password. So this way you can reset or recover your forgotten Messenger password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.